In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can restore missing chats on Messenger app in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. First, if your chat history is missing between devices, maybe you are using Messenger on one phone, two phone, a laptop or another device, and the chats are not syncing, make sure you follow these steps to fix it. First, use a device that already has your latest chats and where everything is working properly. Most likely, this will be your phone. Open Messenger app. Once Messenger opens, tap on three lines at the top. From there, tap on gear icon to open settings. Inside settings, find and tap on privacy and safety. Under the security question, tap on end-to-end encrypted chats. Next, tap on message storage. This is where your encrypted chat storage settings are located. If your chats are missing, you will want to reset your PIN. Select a new PIN, then confirm the same PIN again. This new PIN can be entered on your other devices to restore and sync your chat history. Resetting the PIN usually helps fix the issue. If that still doesn't work, another thing you can try is temporarily turning off secure storage. After turning it off, check if your message is syncing or restored properly. Once your chats are restored, you can always turn secure storage back on by coming back to the same settings. These solutions should work to fix missing Messenger chats. So that's how you can restore missing chats on Messenger app in just few easy steps.